Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026. We are, 1 week in. How has it been going? I meant to do this video last weekend and here we are, whatever. You guys don't care. It's going live now. I have all my things from 2025 jotted down and I would love to go through them with you. If you're on my email list, you already know and got a sneak peek of the fun things we did in 2025, and I'm going to give you a little preview in 2026. It's funny because I actually went and rewatched 2025's video, like the beginning of 2025 that recapped 2024, and I had grandiose plans to write so many books, do so many things. I also was going to use a lot of footage that I had saved over the years that got wiped. So if you followed along in 2025, you know my computer crashed, and so I lost all that footage, but it turned out to be great. And it turned out to be great because I was forced to actually create stuff instead of relying on the archives that I had already done. Last year, I posted, I think I did 40 videos. In my email at 39, I did one more. So 40 videos in 2025. I have never done 40 videos in 1 year. And that is because my hard drive crashed and I had no footage. So I had to make some. I had to record it, I had to do it, and it worked. I also did 35 shorts, or in YouTube, they're like the vertical videos. And the ones that I posted just haphazardly on the fly when I was out doing things got way better engagement and interactivity. And some of the really helpful, informative ones were also on the top ones. I didn't write all that stats down. I'm just trying to remember it from memory. Drumroll. In total, that's 74 videos in 1 year. I'm pretty proud of myself, and I actually really do like video editing. It's fun. I also sent 40 email newsletters. So if you are wanting to get inbox inspiration, you want something cool in your inbox, sign up for my email. I send them out about once a week, sometimes twice, sometimes every other week. They are all geared towards inspiring you to do something creative with your time. I attended 13 events, which is mind-blowing. That's one a month, although I don't have my calendar up right now. I have 2026 up. I was really booked over the summer, and so I did more events during the summer than I do like in the first quarter. The first quarter is kind of dead because nobody wants to go and shop and buy anything. And this year I only have like 6 solid ones that I kind of want to do. That's even iffy, but I already know I'm probably going to end up doing more, but see how it goes. My main goal this year is my postcard subscription, which I did 3 months of postcard trial snail mail subscription, and I had 5 trial members, which is really exciting. So I appreciate everyone who signed up for that. It helped me figure out what postcard paper to pick, which one was better. Some of you guys noticed, by the way, I didn't even realize I picked a different one until like I had checked the order and I was like, oh, I did switch the paper. So I like that. Thank you. I probably should send a feedback survey to hear your like direct input, but I feel like it went really well. I got feedback on the activity sheets, that the kids loved it. The adults that are getting it really enjoyed it. It's a great activity to do as adults, and it's just fun to get something fun in the mail. And you can share it with somebody else. So you take that postcard that you get and you give it to somebody else. So a little piece stays with you with that creative inspiration and activity, and then the postcard goes to someone else and it spreads about. This year, I'd also like to open up wholesale orders. And if you have a business or if you have employees that you want to give gifts for, where you can order 10 sets of postcard subscriptions. So that would be 10 people get 2 postcards in their subscription plus the code to sign up for 1 more free month and then participate in the subscription as well. So they'll get 3 postcards essentially, and then they have the option to sign up or cancel if they would like to do that. And I think that'd be amazing to gift something a little bit fun instead of just like whatever you usually gift your employees. All right. I had plans to do quite a bit of books, and I ended up running a summer, reading road trip. We ran a reading road trip, and I gathered together 9 authors, and we toured the Bexar County area and surrounding counties in Texas. We visited local libraries and we visited some bookshops. I'm trying to think of where else we went. Anyways, it was so much fun. We got together, we read. Some events were more successful than others, but it was our first year trying it out, and we're so glad that we did do it. And that being said, in the midst of all that, I did publish 1 book, back to the very beginning, and it was so cute. It was so much fun. The twist on the end with the strawberry coming back around full circle is just, I love the books that end like that, like Sounds Like Frogs, Back to the Very Beginning. Those are two of my like favorite twist books. And then I also published a 3-year journal, a blank undated journal, and I have a plan to do a different color this year. And then I participated in my first ever anthology. If you don't know what an anthology is, it is the collection of stories, poems, articles. They can be written by the same author or multiple authors, and in this case, my book that I participated in is called Dear Beloved Scribe, and it is with 52 authors total, so 51 plus myself would be 52. And we wrote letters to ourselves as if Jesus was talking to us and how he would talk to us in regards to our writing or pursuing our passions and our dreams. So if you want to check that out, it's on shellycreatesit.com. Just click on the anthology button and it'll take you to that anthology. This one is great for women, for Bible studies, for small groups, for mother-daughter. There's 52 letters, so you can do one a week, create your own devotional, meet and discuss it, all those fun things. And I think if you sign up with Brenda's email in the book, you can get the devotional topics per week as well. I do have one more possibly in the works that I need to submit to the same publisher, and she's gonna get me in on that one. This one will be, I don't know if I can say too much about it, but it's gonna be good. It'll be geared towards younger people. That is the books that I published this year, as well as the postcard subscription, all the videos I did, the emails I submitted, and my Patreon is on fire, y'all. Thanks for subscribing. I have like 15 people. They're free, but I'm glad you're here and can't wait to see how that grows as well. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. For this year, I am planning for sure 1, possibly 2 chapter books for children. I'm excited. Book 1 will be here before the quarter is up. I'm thinking like the 6 to 9-year-old range, and it's going to be themed around my dogs. I'm already halfway through chapter 1, and I would not have gotten this far if it wasn't for Andy Frisella and his Operator Standard app. Like, that thing is beast mode, and it keeps me locked in and winning the day and moving forward and moving my needle, doing all the things I need to do with that. I'm almost done with my cat book, like legit almost done illustrating it. It's already written, so that will come out this fall. And then I have 2 potential fall, winter, Christmassy ones. So that's cat, corn, Christmas, fall. And then my chapter book, 5 books. And if I do another chapter book, that's 6. Here I am again. I'm saying I'm gonna do 6 books. I think that's what I said I did last year. And I only did 2. Dream big, right? And you'll land among the stars. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. I just wanted to say thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing and being here. In addition to all those fun things that I'm doing, I still want to be here creating things, inspiring you guys. If there's anything you would love to see me do or want to learn more of, please let me know in a comment below. I really would love to reply to your comment. YouTube has this really cool new feature and you can respond through audio. I'll still leave a text like message just because I know not everyone can hear the audio and I just think it'd be really fun to do it. So if you want to leave a comment below on anything you're inspired by, anything you want to see more of, I'm not doing screen printing. All my footage is gone. All my stuff is gone. That was a great chapter to get my channel started, and I learned a ton about managing inventory, selling, e-commerce, ordering with people, fulfillment, websites, all that stuff. I learned a ton and I'm using that to move forward into the next chapter, illustrating, writing, publishing books, and all the fun things. Till the next video, I hope you guys have an awesome day, evening, whenever you're watching this, and I appreciate you being here. Hit like, hit subscribe, share it out if you want others to be inspired as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! A compilation. It's a book that has a gathered, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna look it up. Hold on. Shellycreatesit.com. Here you go. I want to read it to you.